Okay, now we can start to release the printer. Before we release the printer, we must find a strong desk or a standard. The standard you can buy from Focus with the wheel. And if you put the machine on the desk, you must be sure the desk is strong without shaking. First, you install the stand for the machine, and then we put the machine on the top of the stand. Then we lock the wheel, and we lock the stand, the wheel of the machine, and the wheel of the stand. They have 4 wheels that lock with the stand. And also we must be sure the ground is water level. So we must prepare the wrench and the screwdriver before we release the machine. So after we put the stand on the ground, we start to fasten the wheels. There's a lock, red lock. We pull with one direction to be sure the wheel is locked without shaking. And we lock one by one. To be sure it's not shaking. To be sure the rubber can connect with the ground. Like this. To be sure it's strong without shaking. And here also, we pull by one direction to be sure the rubber can connect with the ground and fasten without shaking. We do this procedure for each wheels, like this, to lock without shaking. Like this. Then after we locked the 4 wheels for the stand ready, then we start to lock the lagger. The lagger for the full angle of the machine. So we find out the wrench and we fasten the top front screw nut to make sure it's fastened. And also we can adjust this screw. We show, for example, the full position is not water level. Then we can loosen it. We can loosen it, and we can pull out this screw. Then the machine will be coming down. And if you pull up, then the machine move up. So this screw nut is used for adjust the height of the lagger to be sure the 4 lagger are water level. And the top nut is used for lock, fasten the lagger without shaking. So after we adjust the 4 leggers water level, then we fasten the screw nut on top of the lagger, like this. We check one by one. And also we fasten it. And then the back side. this. To be sure the machine without shaking after we adjust. Like this. Then when we put the machine on the desk or stand without shaking, and also we can find out they have two wheels, they have two handles at the left, at the right. So you can remove the handle or install inside of the machine. So if you want to remove it, you need to prepare the screwdriver. And these two handles at the left and right side is used for moving or carry the machine from one position to another position. If you're not affect the normal using. But if you want to remove it, first you need to open the left side cover of the machine. And you use the screwdriver. And we open, they have one screw inside of the hole to lock the wheel, the handle. So we just open it. So we removed like this. And we do as the same procedure to loosen another 3 screws like this. And then we do the same procedure at the left side. We open the cover, back push down, we take out the cover. And also we can find out one hole from here. Open it. Then the wheels moved. Do the same procedure. Like this. Then we can move out the motor here. And you can put in some position without damage. Once you want to remove the machine, or you want to move the machine, you can install back.